Hi guys, from Cookie Fun. Today I will be showing you how to make your own cookie without the oven, the microwave, the toaster oven, not even the stove. It's so easy. I only need about 3 things. So let's get started. And you do not need a gun, but if you want a gun to help you, you could. So first you want to get butter. So put butter in there. I only put a little bit because, well, it's just this much. So it's hard to use my toothpick, so I just mess it out with my finger. Then I want to add in some sugar. She got. I want my cookie to have actually taste like cookie, like sweet, like cookie.
It's not easy. All this change.
So I'm gonna add a little bit more. Okay, so I added more, so I'm just gonna mix my butter and my sugar together. And this is what you call batter.
Witnesses say if not for those officers and another man who helped, the situation may have been much worse.
Eyewitness News reporter Anthony Johnson and Eden with all the details. Anthony.
Actually tastes sweet. Just have one. Now I want to add in a itty bitty tiny pinch of salt. And it makes it very tiny. Because salt is very salty. I'm just gonna pinch. So I'm just gonna take the itty bitty pinch. And sprinkle.
And that driver was taken to the hospital. She is actually already checked out and back at home. We did talk to her son this afternoon. He says his mother is doing absolutely fine. But coming up at 6 o'clock here from the girlfriend of the electrician, the first one to jump into the water to save the victim as the car was going down. That's the latest live for Jersey City.
So I'm mixing even more now.
Anthony, thank you. Repeated outbursts in a courtroom in California forced the delay of an arraignment for the suspects in a racially motivated shooting spree that left 3 white men dead.
Now
It's gone. It is gone.
it's time for flour. So that's why you're supposed to add a lot of sugar, so it won't taste too much like flour. So my flour is all-purpose flour.
Amazon employs 13,000 workers in New Jersey. While speaking at the warehouse, the governor also touted New Jersey's economy. He says the unemployment rate is 4.2%, the lowest in 10 years.
I think flour or powder is the most messiest thing ever.
He was heading to a client's home in New Jersey when he saw a desperate man get out of his car in Newark with a child looking for help. Just pulled over, discovered the 13-month-old was not breathing. He immediately started performing CPR as someone called for an ambulance, and it worked. The baby started breathing on its own.
I actually felt like the weight of the world lifted off my shoulder. I just left rapidly after that, and it didn't really, the whole situation didn't really gravitate with me until like
Tastes good.
about an hour or so after that.
So I add the perfect amount of sugar.
Will still become a royal roundtable discussion.
So
Princess Harry and William, along
now I
with
just wanna
Kate, started
put in your hand and start kneading it.
about their own personal struggles.
Also ahead in Eyewitness News first at 4, a girl born with one hand playing an instrument typically that would require 2 hands, the new technology that allows her to play the violin.
That's fantastic. All right, a lot of clouds around on this Friday afternoon. A little cool, not much rain. You can see a couple of showers there over southernmost New Jersey. Our temperature right now, it's about 53 degrees. At least that number won't move very much during the evening hours, about 54. Just a passing shower and a lot of clouds. We'll get some sunshine this
And the
weekend.
lead-in
Wait a
part,
while. I'll let you know
and
when
this
you
part
come
is
in for the forecast
messy.
coming next on First and Fourth.
Everyone is loving Imaginary Mary.
Why stop here?
Tuesday, this relationship is taking a big step.
I want you to meet my friends.
Really? Well, maybe not all of them.
I'm happy to meet Ben whenever you feel the time is right.
Imaginary Mary, new ABC Tuesday.
The Ford Spring Sales Drive event is on. The best time to get into a new Ford. Now just sign and ride with 0 down, 0 due, and 0 first month's payment on a great selection of Ford cars, SUVs, and trucks. So get to the Ford Spring Sales Drive event today and just sign and ride. Only your local Ford store or buyfordnow.com. Now it's Edge during
So
the
now,
Ford Spring Sales Drive event.
I'm just gonna add in.
Ride with 0 down, 0
Actually,
due
no.
signing and 0 first
So
month's
now,
payment.
I just wanna
Offer ends soon.
put it on like a plate or something, and then flatten it out like what shape you want your cookie to be, and then you put it in the freezer.
Current qualified competitive lessees can use their auto show bonus cash to get this Chevy Malibu for around $159 a month. See your local Chevy dealer.
Nobody does underwater stuff, Sylvia. Except me, of course. This is my stuff.
If you're a stuntman, you cheat death. It's what you do. If you want to save 15% or more on car insurance, you switch to Geico.
Tastes so good.
Get ready for an off-road adventure at the New York International Auto Show.
There's only one place you can actually get to experience. It's right here at KFG.
Just sign up and climb in for the ultimate 4x4 ride in Midtown Manhattan.
All right, let's go for a ride. You ready to do this? Let's go ahead.
Experience the capabilities of the entire Jeep lineup.
Here we go.
And descend at 35 degrees on Camp Jeep Mountain. Experience the most awarded SUV brand ever at Camp Jeep. Now through April 23rd at the New York International Auto Show.
Well, members
I'll put in the
of the British
freezer
royal family have released
for
a
about
new video speaking
5
out about
minutes.
mental health. Prince William, Duchess Kate, and Prince
Okay, it's been 10 minutes actually.
Clouds actually try to break a little bit. Brightest time may
So it's been
actually be
10
late morning
minutes
in the midday, but
instead of 5 because I want to be
sunny
like
far south
really
and
quick.
showers may try to
So
brighten up a little bit later in the day and
now
in the evening hours. Best
you
chance
just
of
have
July
to
28 in New York
take out the
City.
freezer
Northern suburbs have a good chance
and
of
eat
staying
it.
dry, and in fact,
And
the
it's
entire theme of the weekend
good.
forecast chance
And guys,
to
this is
brighten
my
up
idea.
as well.
I don't think nobody else ever thought of this idea but me. I'm so smart.
On Monday, a coastal
Television field. Happy birthday to Queen Elizabeth II. She turns 91 today, and while our celebrations today are expected to be a low-key affair in Great Britain, the Irish Guard played a favorite at Buckingham Palace. That really makes it official. They also held a gun salute at Hyde Park for the Queen Mother.
So I got a book
Yes.
and the thing that I was mixing with. Just gonna tap it. Okay, it's good. And guys, I never tasted this before because I never made it before. But I'm just gonna cut it in 4 pieces.
I gotta show how to do a ride. That's why he just pulled over, did it. His mom posted this, and people love it. Did you give her a ticket? No ticket. Okay, good. Finally, when Starbucks launched their latest fancy drink, they maybe should have checked with their baristas first.
Take
Some
a
of the customers
piece.
may love to drink the unicorn frappuccino, but when it comes to making the well,
Let's
it's
get
for yourself.
ah. Okay.
If you love us as baristas, don't order it. It's so difficult to make for the love of God.
It's actually good.
Good. Don't get the unicorn frappuccino.
God, he really means it. The barista says he goes every night, comes home covered head all over the place. Just with all the awful stuff that it takes to make one of these drinks. This rant is from a barista in Colorado on his tweet now. A viral sensation, as you can see.
Could eat this all day. I was I made a bigger one.
It's such a sweet and deterrent sound.
That's a great idea. I'll make a bigger one. How about that?
Caffeine in it?
Well,
I'm intrigued.
it's a sore subject right now for a lot of baristas. That's all I
can
know.
tell.
I think his plea's going to have the opposite effect, though. I think you're going to see people just ordering it for the heck of it now. Not good.
You don't want to anger your barista.
No, you don't.
That's all we got for you. Have a great Friday, everyone. As always, check the trend online, ABC7NY, and send us your trend ideas using the hashtag #TheTrend.
And still ahead on Eyewitness News First Dish 4, we're getting new details this afternoon about how a massive manhunt for that teenager and her alleged abductor, who was her teacher, came to an end. Before we go to break, here's a quick check of the delays at the Hudson River crossings. 20 minutes of the Lincoln Tunnel, 20 minutes of the Holland Tunnel, 10 minutes right now on the upper level of the George Washington Bridge. We'll be right back.
John Leguizamo and Cody Smulders, plus I am the mother of dragons. Nikolai Coster.
Bye.